This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
What if your Audi is slowly losing performance and you don't even realize it? What if the issue isn't software, injectors, or spark plugs? What if it's oil? Most Audi owners underestimate how critical oil is in modern TFSI, TDI, S, and RS engines. These engines run tight tolerances, high compression ratios, and turbo systems that generate extreme heat. Oil is not just lubrication. It is cooling. It is friction control. It is turbo protection. If the wrong oil is used, wrong specification, or wrong viscosity, performance does not disappear overnight. It fades gradually. Throttle response becomes softer. Turbo spool feels slightly delayed. Cold starts feel rougher. Fuel economy drops slightly. Audi engines require specific VW approvals. For most modern gasoline engines in the US, that means VW 504, 507 specification. If you drive a 2.0 TFSI or 3.0 TFSI in stock configuration and want factory-level protection, a product like Castrol Edge 5W30 is engineered specifically for high-temperature stability. It maintains viscosity under stress and protects against deposit formation in turbocharged applications. Another strong option for Audi owners who prefer a German-formulated oil with long drain stability is Liqui Moly Top Tec 4200 5W30. It also meets the correct Audi approvals and performs well in direct injection engines prone to fuel dilution. For older Audi performance engines that require VW approval, including some earlier 2.0T and V6 turbo platforms, Castrol Edge 5W40 may be appropriate. But specification always comes before viscosity preference. Oil approval is not marketing. It is chemistry. Now, here's something important. If you care about keeping your Audi sharp and responsive long-term, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it allows us to continue producing detailed Audi-only technical content without generic filler or mixed brands. Most owners follow the maximum service interval listed in the manual, but those long intervals are optimized for warranty compliance, not peak performance feel. If you drive aggressively, live in hot climates, or own a tuned Audi, shorter oil intervals make a noticeable difference in smoothness and throttle consistency. Oil degrades under heat and stress. Turbocharged Audi engines stress oil more than naturally aspirated engines. In Part 2, we go deeper into turbo protection, oil breakdown under boost, and why filter quality plays a bigger role than most owners realize, especially using an OEM supplier like MAN oil filters. It matters more than most owners realize. Oil in a modern Audi does far more than lubricate moving parts. It stabilizes temperature. It protects turbo shafts spinning over 150,000 RPM. It supports timing components and reduces internal drag. It preserves long-term power consistency, and this becomes critical in turbocharged platforms like the 2.0 TFSI, 3.0 TFSI, and especially S and RS engines. Let's talk about turbo stress. When you accelerate hard, boost pressure rises. Exhaust temperature increases. The turbocharger core becomes extremely hot. Oil is the only thing cooling and lubricating that shaft. If oil loses viscosity stability or begins to oxidize under heat, the protective film becomes thinner. Over time, this leads to slower turbo spool, reduced boost consistency, higher internal heat retention, and oil coking inside turbo housing. That weaker acceleration feeling is often oil degradation. This is why correct specification matters. specification always comes first. For most modern U.S. Audi gasoline engines requiring VW504 approval, Castrol Edge, or Liqui Moly, provides strong, high-temperature stability. If your engine requires VW5 approval, often older high-output setups, Castrol Edge 5W40 offers additional high-heat film strength. Now let's address oil breakdown timing. Audi long-life intervals are for controlled conditions, but real-world driving includes stop-and-go traffic and cold trips, highway pulls, hot summer temperatures, and occasional spirited acceleration. All of these accelerate oil degradation. If your Audi is tuned, shortening intervals to approximately 5,000 to 6,000 miles helps maintain throttle sharpness and mechanical smoothness. Now we move to a commonly ignored component, the oil filter. Oil pressure stability is essential. Cheap filters can collapse internally or bypass too early under load. This reduces effective filtration and destabilizes oil pressure. Using an OEM equivalent filter, such as a MAN filter, ensures proper micron filtration and pressure regulation. Stable oil pressure equals stable cam timing behavior. Stable lubrication equals consistent performance. There's also a habit that affects turbo longevity: engine shutdown timing. After aggressive driving, immediately shutting off traps heat. This can cook the oil and accelerate carbon buildup. Instead, allow the engine to idle for 30 to 60 seconds after hard driving. This stabilizes oil temperature and protects turbo bearings. It's a simple habit with long-term mechanical impact. In Part 3, we go deeper into oil myths, fuel economy effects, and why thicker is better is often completely wrong. Stay tuned for the next guide in the series. The truth owners don't know. Part 3. In the first two parts, we talked about oil specifications, turbo protection, viscosity balance, and service intervals. Now let's clear up the biggest misconception Audi owners still believe. Thicker oil equals better protection. That sounds logical, but in modern Audi engines it can actually reduce performance. Today's TFSI and RS engines are engineered with extremely tight tolerances. Oil must circulate quickly at startup, maintain precise pressure levels, and support variable valve timing systems. If you use oil thicker than your engine's required specification, several subtle things can happen. Slower cold start lubrication, delayed cam phaser response, increased internal pumping resistance, slight reduction in throttle sharpness. Cold starts are where most engine wear occurs. If oil circulates too slowly because viscosity is excessive for your climate, microscopic wear increases over time. This is why staying within the approved viscosity range, such as a VW504 5W30 for many modern Audi gasoline engines, is critical. For example, using Castrol Edge 5W30 in a stock 2.0 TFSI maintains fast cold flow while preserving high temperature stability. Using Liqui Moly Top Tec 4200 5W30 provides similar protection with strong additive resistance to oxidation, especially in engines exposed to frequent short trips. Switching to a heavier 5W40, like Castrol Edge 5W40, should only happen if your engine code specifically requires it, or if you operate in extreme heat with manufacturer approval. Now let's talk about direct injection. Most modern Audi engines use direct injection, which can lead to small amounts of fuel mixing with oil, especially if the vehicle is driven mostly on short trips. Fuel dilution reduces effective oil viscosity over time. If oil never reaches full operating temperature long enough to evaporate contaminants, lubrication quality slowly declines. Symptoms can include slight fuel economy drop, less refined high RPM feel, increased engine noise, rougher idle. The solution is simple. Allow full warm-up cycles regularly. Avoid constant short cold drives. Shorten oil intervals if urban driving dominates. Fresh oil reduces internal friction across crankshaft bearings, camshafts, and turboshafts. The car feels smoother, lighter, more precise. Will proper oil add 20 horsepower? No. But degraded oil can slowly take away performance you already paid for. Advanced owners running Stage 1 or Stage 2 tunes can go further by performing oil analysis. A simple lab test reveals metal wear particles, fuel dilution percentage, coolant contamination, additive breakdown. That's professional-level engine monitoring. But even without analysis, following 3 core rules protects your Audi. Use correct VW-approved specification. Shorten intervals under stress. Use high-quality OEM filtration like MAN filters. Precision engines require precision maintenance. If you want your Audi to stay strong, responsive, and reliable long-term, subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. It costs you nothing, but it allows us to continue producing detailed Audi-focused content. Next in the series, we dive into transmission fluids and why ignoring them costs far more than engine oil ever will. Stay tuned for the next part of Hidden Car Tech.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.